let's take a look at how we load a quote into the shopping cart for purchase. This is the back end of our quoting system here, and these are the quotes coming in today. And you can see that the rep is associated with the customer and the quote number, and this is the quote number that we use. And each quote number is on the PDF quote itself. So whenever you're ready to, or a client wants to go ahead with a quote, just have them look at the quote number, and you pull up our website, and you can go to the bottom of any page. And at the bottom, this is called our footer here, and you'll notice that there's a load quote button right here. So we click on that and we enter a quote number in, and the system automatically populates the shopping cart with this quote. And so now it's all ready to go. I could make changes to the quote and re-email it to them. But if the customer is ready to purchase, then all they do is just load the quote in that way. Everything will populate, and then you just proceed to checkout. And you just follow the instructions as a normal checkout after that point. Now, if the customer chooses to go with a quote, but they want to change something, they want to add a monitor, delete a hard drive, or something like that, we'll make those changes and place the order. And the minute that the order is placed, it's tagged directly to you. So even if they start with a quote and they change it to something else, which is common, things get adjusted right before purchase. You still get full credit for that, but your credit and your compensation will be based on the dollar amount of the final purchase price. And that is how you load a quote. And if you've got something in the cart that you don't want, you just clear the shopping cart. And I could load another quote in here. Let's just take a wild guess at a quote here. 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, the next one up. And there's the quote for that particular purchase. Okay, and that is how you load a quote.